Today we're revisiting this 52-inch NuTone Verandah Deluxe. Manufactured sometime around 1985. Fan is variable speed, electrically reversible. Finished in antique brass, paired with a set of cherry pointed tip blades. Blade pitch is around 13 degrees. Up close to the iron there, they have the NuTone name stamped into them. Coming on top here, we got a downrod ball socket mount. Right there is the stamping information. You can see 52 on one side and what's believed to be 85 stamped onto the other for the year. Here's the information sticker on the top. Motor inside the fan is a universal motor. Filmed this fan around 9 years ago. Picked this up from a local Habitat restore. Had a genuine NuTone light on it. I think it was missing the glass. So for this time around, I decided to have the fan installed with no light. I decided to throw that medallion cap on the end of it because it's something similar to what the fan would have had on it originally. But the NuTone Verandah Deluxe was, of course, NuTone's Primrose fan of the 80s. These were introduced, I believe, 1980, maybe 1979 at the earliest, replacing the friction drive Verandah. And these lasted up until around 1987 when they were replaced with the Verandah 2. And that is the transitional model Verandah that has the 3-speed spinner motor inside of it, but uses the same housing parts, blade irons, as the Verandah Deluxe before they went with their contrast lineup in around 1988. But I've seen these fans used a few different motors. Universal's the most common. I've also have one with an A.O. Smith motor, and I've had one with a GE motor, which I think was their earliest offering. But being that it's ball socket here, it likely dates to around 1985. Because ball sockets started rolling out, I think, late 1983, going into 1984 for NuTone. And it has the recalled mounting bracket, but it does have the retainer ring. That was their answer for their recalled mounting bracket on the fan. So not much else to say about it. Let's jump in and get started. Start it up here on low. The first pull on the pull chain is strict high speed, bypasses the variable speed control. There's also another optional wire that you could wire the fan with a wall control, and it basically just bypasses the pull chain switch, the variable speed control, and everything. You can just operate the fan on a wall switch. Motor lead runs right straight to the capacitor. So basically it just runs it straight to the motor. But the fan has its traditional variable speed buzz to it. Right here we're doing 35 RPM. Very nice aesthetic low. Turn it up a little bit. Turn it up a bit more. Turn it up some more. And we'll take it all the way up on the variable speed. Right here we're doing around 175 RPM. Bearings on the fan are still in good shape. They're pretty quiet still. This is always a good thing. Runs pretty smooth. Very little wobble, if any. Throwing out a decent breeze with the 13-degree blade pitch. But this is not high speed. This is high speed, which bypasses the variable speed control altogether. You probably can tell the variable speed buzz went away. Right here we're doing 195 RPM on balls to the wall high speed here. Pretty decent performing fan, as you would expect being a high-end fan from NuTone. Definitely one of their best performing fans that they ever made, that's for sure. Alright, we'll go ahead and end things off here. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video of this 52-inch antique brass NuTone Verandah Deluxe from around 1985. Stay cool. Take care. Peace.